POL price prediction or Polygon Matic price prediction. I will not waste a second of your time, and in less than a minute I'll tell you what I believe will happen next 1 to 3 days. First of all, we had a massive dip on Friday. I warned you about this dip, and right now what we can see right here is curvature on VWAP. Right here you can see it right here. This is curving up, going up. And the only danger is that money flow, this red thing, is going down, is breaking out through this low, bringing a new low. But still, because shorts are so high, they are super high, 94, that's insane. Every time we have such a high amount of short and then we have a dump, because here we had a high amount of shorts and we didn't dump. We have a high amount of shorts, normally we dump by like 25% from this candle top to this, yeah, exactly 25% actually. So right now I'm expecting a pump for next 2 days from here, 1 to 3 days of green candles, 1 to 3 days of green candles. And then we can potentially look for new opportunities to take profit and even short. If you want to learn more from me, there's a link in the description below on how I made 274 grand from meme coins. Links to my Signals chat course and everything. See you in the next video. This video is no financial advice.